Here's how to check all notes you have added to posts and reels on Instagram. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can check all the notes that you've added to posts and reels on Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First step, just open Instagram. And once you're in Instagram, just go to your profile. Once you're inside your profile, just basically press on these three horizontal lines on the corner. And right over here, you'll see some options, but you just gotta go ahead and simply press on your activity. And here you'll see some options, but just go ahead and press on notes. And here, it'll show you all these videos and posts and reels and everything that you have added posts. So I've added some notes to posts and reels, and these are a lot of them. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how to check all notes you've added to posts on reels and Instagram. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.